Hey guys, welcome to my channel. To start this pattern, fold your pattern in half. Now eyeball about 1.5 inches from the top of your pattern and make a marginal line. Now I will take my measurements from this line. Now I will take the length I want for my leggings and I would extend the line outwards and also add your hemming seam allowance. Now I will take my ankle circumference divided by 2 minus 1 inch. Now the purpose of taking off 1 inch is because it is a leggings and it needs to be really tight and fitted. Now take your waist to hip measurement, which is 8 inches for me, and I would connect the line, and I will take my waist to crotch depth, which is 12 inches, but I would be using 11 inches because I would minus 1 for my waistband. Now I will take my waist to knee measurement, which is 22 inches, which is standard waist to knee measurement for a regular person. Now I will take my knee circumference divided by 2 minus 1 inch. Now I will just connect my knee to my ankle. Now once that is done, take your lap circumference on this line divided by 2 and place it right there. On here, take your hip circumference divided by 4, and right here on your waist, take your waist measurement divided by 4 minus 1 inch. Now come down by 1 inch for your waist curve and connect the line like this. Now once we're done doing that, we'll connect this to this and we will create our crotch curve. Place your ruler right there and make dotted lines and find the midpoint. Now once you do that, come in by 1/2 inch and create your curve from your knee to your crotch. Now next thing we will do is to label our pattern. This way you can differentiate your front from the back. Go upwards by 1.5 inches. This is going to be for the back rise. Now just connect your line like this. Now I will just cut this pattern out. You can split this pattern in 2 if you want to, but you need to add your 1/2 inch seam allowance at the sides. Now I could cut this out and it would reflect on the back side of my pattern, but in order not to confuse you all, I will just open up my pattern and I would connect this line, extend it to the back of my pattern, and this 1.5 inches I will place it at the back. Now I would connect it to the midpoint of my pattern. Don't forget to label your pattern. This is my back and this is my front, and I would cut this off in order to avoid confusion. Now this is my waist curve, this is the midpoint, and this is my back rise. Now I'll just go on and cut this out. Like this. Now make sure you are using a fabric that stretches in 4 ways. I am going to be using this fabric because it stretches in 4 ways. You can see, and you can see that is 4 ways. Now place your pattern on your fabric. Make sure your fabric is not folded, and I would go on and cut this all the way around it just as it is. Now you will need 2 pieces for this. Now I'll place the good sides of the front to the front and the back to the back. And I will join this by 1/2 inch, or you can weave and you will do the same at the other side. Now once you're done doing that, open up your fabric like this, place the crotch in the middle and join the crotches together, and you're going to join the sides of your leggings together. Join them by 1/2 inch, or you can as well make overlocking stitches. Now for the band, I cut my waist measurements -1 inch, and for the length I cut 4 inches because I am going to be folding it. Go on your sewing machine and stitch the ends of your band. Now once you're done, in case you want to use an elastic, place your elastic like this on your band. Make sure you don't stretch your elastic. Now fold the elastic like this so as to get the circumference of your waist. Now just cut it out, and we're going to join the elastic together. And once you're done doing that, open up your band and place it at the center, and you're going to stitch all the way around it. Once you're done, you just fold it like this. Now I won't be using elastic because my fabric is very stretchy, so I will just go on and start pinning this band on my fabric, and once I am done pinning all the way around it, I will just stitch it by 1/2 inch. Now make sure you overlock the edges of your band and your crotch sides and every other side that needs overlocking stitch. Now just go on and fold in your bottom and hem it, and also do the same for the other side. And we are totally done for this tutorial, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe,